Hi everybody, it's Sam here. Today I wanted to talk to you about a new craft that I've been doing for the last few months. I just discovered diamond painting this year and I absolutely love it. It's such a fun craft. It's really cool and you can get some great wall pictures from it. So my new one, I'm working on a big diamond painting at the moment, but I thought I needed another one for when I finish that. So I ordered one from AliExpress from China and it arrived today in this box. So I thought I would open it and show everybody what's involved, what's in the box, and maybe inspire you guys to order one or create one of your own. So I'm working on a really big diamond painting at the moment. It's 70 centimeters by 70 centimeters, so it's quite a big square. It's going to take me a while, but when I'm done that, I want to do an Alice in Wonderland picture for my daughter's room. So this is the one that's arrived. So when you open the box, you get the picture. This is the picture. So it's a roll of canvas, and on the front of it is this protective paper that covers up the adhesive area. The adhesive area is where you stick your diamonds, and that creates the picture. So that's the canvas picture part of it. And the other part in the packet is all your diamonds and all the little resin tiles or diamonds that you use to stick down and make your picture. And it's so much fun, it's so great. You've probably seen it around everywhere. It's on Pinterest and Instagram, and there's some great Facebook groups as well. If you want to join a Facebook group for some inspiration and some tips, you can look those up. So, in the bag of diamonds is the sheet. The sheet has a picture of the diamond painting that I ordered and the code of diamonds. So this is the picture that I have ordered. There we go. Is it going to focus? It is. Oh, it's lovely. So it's like a stained glass effect, Alice in Wonderland. It's really pretty. I'm hoping it comes out really quite nice. Down the side on here, you can see the code, which is the symbols that you will see on your adhesive painting, and the corresponding bead numbers that are there too, or diamond numbers. So, what else is in the box is a little bag of your tools that you need. You have got your pen. It's a very simple plastic pen. Is it going to pick up that focus? Okay, so it's a plastic pen, which is like a pen tool. You've got some tweezers in there, regular tweezers, and a plastic tray that you pour and you work from. You put your diamonds on the plastic tray, and a little square of red wax. I'll get that out so you can see what that looks like. So it's just a little square of red wax. And so what you do, the pen tool, you push it into the red wax fills up the nib, and the stickiness from the wax picks up your diamonds from the tray, and then you can just use that tool to put the diamonds where you want them. It's really fun. I might do another video just with some tips and tricks and things that I've learned. There are definitely some things that you can do that make it easier and quicker, and some little hacks that really help it go along. So I ordered this one from a seller on AliExpress, and I'll put a link to that one below because it seems like it's quite a good quality. None of the diamonds are missing, and I'll also put a link to 2 other sellers that I've ordered from that were really very good, that I got a really good quality product from. they're like anything, AliExpress and Wish are really, they're very, very big websites. There are thousands and thousands, probably hundreds of thousands of different sellers, and the quality can really vary. So some of the quality is fantastic, whereas in the Facebook groups that I'm in, it seems like there are some sellers that your painting can arrive quite crushed with some bubbles in it, missing diamonds. There can be some problems with some of the poorer quality products that some sellers that are selling. So I'll put a link to the ones that I've used that are really great. And what I would advise you to do is, if you've heard of a seller that is really good, or you know someone who's bought a product from a seller that was great, stick with those ones. If you find a painting, like a picture on AliExpress that you just love, but you're unsure of the seller, and the sellers that you know are good don't have that picture, it really doesn't matter. They will still make it for you. If you message a seller who you know has got a really good reputation, say, I want this picture, but it's not in your list, they will do it. They will make that picture for you, and it won't cost you any more than the ones that they have. And I've done that a few times now, when I've got favourite sellers that I know I get a really good product from, really good quality resin diamonds, and that no problems, then I'm going to stick with those ones, because there have been some turn up where diamonds are missing, and they can take months to get those to you from China. So if you find a good seller, stick with them and ask them to make any picture that you want, that you see. So that's my biggest tips. I hope that you are inspired to do something. I might come back in a moment and show you some of the ones that I've done. Okay, so this diamond painting here is the very first one that I did. It's just an image that I found on AliExpress. I'll put a link to it below in the description if I can find that. Otherwise, there are so many different images that you can find on AliExpress. I'm sure you'd find something similar. And it's beautiful. It's just so lovely. You can see the shimmer from the diamonds. I haven't framed it yet. How far can I go in? You can see the diamonds there. She's so pretty. I think she's lovely. I'll go and get another one, that a sweet little Hello Kitty one that I finished for my daughter last month, and I'll show you that one as well. Okay, this is another little diamond painting that I finished last month, and I'll try and keep away from that reflection. There we go. It's so cute. And this one is done with rhinestones. So you can see there the real shimmery rhinestones. And I've just framed this in a little box frame that I found at our local bargain shop, like at the Reject Store in the town where I live in. And it's just happened to be a little 15 by 15 centimetre frame that just fits that perfectly, and that just looks darling in my daughter's room. It's really cute. I might take the camera off and go and show you two others that I have finished in my daughter's room. So here we have it. This is my girl's room, and these are the two diamond paintings that I finished in her room probably about 2 or 3 months ago now. Cinderella is just gorgeous. If I go right in close, you can see the diamonds there now. She's gorgeous. And Tink. So the Alice in Wonderland that arrived today is in this same style. This same stained glass style that I just think is really pretty. So those two have been framed. They are 40 by 50 centimetres each, and it just happened that these frames are from IKEA and they just fit really well. So I did have to remove, just to get a perfect fit in here, I removed 2 rows of diamonds from the canvas, and then they fit in perfectly behind the mat board in this IKEA frame. And I'm really happy with how they look in her room. If I go back, you can see them there. It looks so cute with our popcorn carrier from Disneyland. I'm really happy with those. So there you have it, guys. They are the diamond paintings that I've been doing recently. Oh, I've got one more to show you, the big one that I'm working on right now. I didn't show you that. I'll go show you that now. Okay, here we have it. Here she is. Now, I'll have to show you the picture because it's a bit hard to imagine. This is the design I selected. It's called a woolly girl, and I just think this is so me. This is so pretty. It's just a beautiful illustration, and I ordered it in a 70 by 70 centimetres. So you can see this is my dining table, and it is huge. So here we go. The paper, the adhesive paper came in thirds, so it is divided into 3 sections. 3 strips of adhesive is the way that they've covered it up. I'm working on the top third at the moment, and I have finished all but one little bit. So there is a little bit more of her hair coming out that you can see there. And I'm just so excited to get to the second strip because I want to do her face. I just feel as soon as you've done the face, everything just looks a little bit better. You can see here where I'm working. I just love these colours. This aqua green is just so pretty. I'm really happy with how it's turning out. So here's my little setup. I have my beads here in a tray. I have a little light pad here, which really helps me to see because I just do this for an hour or so. After dinner at night while my husband's watching TV, I sit here at the table and just plug away. There's my little pen tool and my tray, and I have my little utility box down there, a little toolbox with all the extra little bits in it. So this is how the beads come. They're numbered so that you can find the corresponding symbol. So there you have it, guys. That's all the diamond paintings that I've been working on over the last couple of months, and my big one that I'm working on at the moment. I hope you feel inspired to look up AliExpress and order something that you love. It's so much fun, and you can just get some gorgeous results. If you need some more inspiration, hop on Facebook, and there's some great diamond painting, some groups that will give you tips and tricks. I am going to do another video with my top 10 ideas, tips for diamond painting that just make life a little bit easier, things that I've learned along the way, and I'll share those with you. But I hope you felt inspired. If you like my videos, my craft videos, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and see you next time.